Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GIS tips and tricks. Today we're gonna learn about how to install QGIS in Windows laptop or PC. First go to Google and type QGIS. Here you can find this link on the first link and just click on it and you will be redirected to the official homepage of QGIS. Just scroll down and you will find the download now option. Here you can see the long-term release version is 3.347. So for downloading QGIS, just click on download now button. Okay, here you can see here different QGIS appear for different operating systems. Here you can see this is Mac and this is Linux operating system like Debian, Ubuntu, and just click on Windows. Here I have Windows laptop, so I will download this for Windows and just click on it. Before click on it, I suggest to download LTR version because it is more stable. So I can just click on it. You can see download will started. Here you can see downloading is started. After completed this download, go to file and click on it. You can see a install process is started. Just click on next button, accept the terms and condition, and after that click on next, then click Here you can see QGIS desktop 3.34 version is appear now. Here you can see QGIS in open properly. Now you can use this QGIS. Thank you guys to watch this video. If this video helpful to you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share this video